Hey.
Hey!
I damn near spit my coffee
Dad,
out.
we there yet?
Where are we going?
The Freedom Factory!
Hell yeah! Hey Mike, where we at?
We're at the Freedom Factory!
Happy birthday, Mike!
Woo!
And right next door, Braden Motorsports Park. Oh dude, check out the little fox body on the trailer.
He made a child's birthday go without a wheelie card because of it. Am I not right?
And we'll get our opening ceremonies and opening festivities underway as we'll be going live on Freedom Plus at 6 o'clock. Getting ready to go for the Danger Ranger 9000 presented by PDS Debt live from the Freedom Factory.
Hey Mike, what do you think?
I'm excited.
Dan?
Amazing. So excited.
Chris? Chris?
So excited I dropped my phone!
Yay!
All right, you guys ready for some live action tonight? Anyone? You guys ready? Wait, can they hear us back there? Okay, good. What, George? I apologize. I'm feeling a little bit under the weather, so I was kind of hiding out up until now. I'm feeling a little better now. I'm starting to feel the freedom flowing through my veins. So we got Altimas. We got Rangers. We got Pro Trucks, all presented by PDS Debt tonight, but I'm delaying the show here right now, so let's get to the live action. Shout out to PDS Debt.
Lights are out on the Wheeling Pace Track. Down to that stretch here on this 3/8 mile banked oval, 12 degrees in the corners, 6 degrees down the straightaway, ready to come to the start line. Danger Ranger 9000, presented by PDS Debt. Underway, we are green here at the Freedom Factory. Didn't take long for them to get 3 wide. Mid-pack lead is down. Thinking about going 4 wide through turns 3 and 4.
Kevin, Fleet, and J.A. start 3 wide.
race yet again. And you see down there, you can see where the grass is tore up, where Clint went for a bit of a wild ride down on the inside.
And then continue your other red flags, same thing. Once you go green, you'll see the lights go off.
Alright, Jason's got 60.
It's a fucking sea of Altima.
Yeah, 61 decided the best use of his weight would be to keep the stereo in. So I'm going with
Please
that.
don't, everyone's been a couple concerns about this guy's comments while you're riding.
Hey, what about that like 90?
We need you all to please take a quick step back away from the fences, please. If you are unfamiliar with enduro-style racing, there are no yellow flags. This race will start with the green.
You guys need to be careful on this. Again, if you're going for the Rangers at 20 laps to go. So be at your guard.
4, 3, 2, 1. The Altima 600 is underway at the Freedom Factory, and hang on. Some drivers wasting no time getting down to the bottom of the racetrack. This is a 16-lap race. You're going to have cars all around the racetrack. You're going to be dodging lap traffic before you know it. And this is going to be insane. Somehow, some way, I think everybody might make it through this first lap. And if you would have asked me that earlier today, if I thought everybody was going to survive lap number 1, I would have said you are out of your mind. But it looks like we are going to get that done here today. Early to start the finish line. There they are. Coming around there. And then right here, down the bottom of the racetrack, nowhere to go. That was the move right there with Jim York that I wondered. You saw the damage to the left front. See the number 2 car get sent down into the infield grass, but everybody continuing on. And, oh no, the speedy cop, that's not good.
We just need to watch right here. Because shit's going there.
Now less than 20 laps to go. And from what I'm seeing from scoring, Cletus as the race leader is the only car on the lead lap except just in front of him. And now is past the lap. So Cletus has put an entire lap on the rest of the field. But don't count anyone out just yet. If as long as he possibly could, having a deep here with discharge. And unfortunately, was a little bit short of the finish with 10 laps to go in this one. Can Cletus hold off Travis Meehan just about that argument, and keep rolling down the racetrack. 10 laps to go. 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 10 laps to go.
but here we are.
I mean, you saw that they said, hey, we're going to put this race on. All you got to do is go find an Altima. They're everywhere. Go pick one up. Go put your cage in there. Get a nice, safe seat in there like you have. You got the proper safety gear. And you too can come out and rip around the Freedom Factory. Is that what led you to be in here?
Yeah, I always liked racing growing up. I haven't done much lately, so when that popped up, I was like, yeah, let's do it. Speed was already got 2 up.
All right, well, see what you can salvage off of this one. Enjoy it.